So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, we are going to looking out the lead code problem which we are going to solve, which is maximum consecutive ones. So in this video, we will be trying to see how we can write the code and how we can solve this by writing a Python code. So let's start the video. So let's read and understand what is given in the question. Given a binary array nums and an integer k, this is nums. Binary means 0 and 1, and an integer k, which is given to us to return the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array. Consecutive ones means the one which is coming again and again. Consecutive means the number which is coming again and again. So which number they have told? 1. Which number is one number? We have to find out the maximum number of consecutive ones in the array if you can flip at most k. So k value is 2. If we are flipping zeros, two zeros, this and this, so how much one we can get? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that it what it is given explanation. So your explanation is given like 1, 1, 1 is there. Your 0, 0. So this 0 is flipped by 1 because in the question it is given you can flip how many number 2. Because k value is 2, so we can flip 2. So this 0 is flipped by 1 and this 0 is flipped by 1. So the maximum count of consecutive ones is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it becomes 6. Same way over here also. This num array is given to us 0, 0, 1, 1, and k is given to us 3. So we can flip three zeros into ones and we have to count out which is the maximum number of consecutive ones from this binary array. So over here, 1, 2, 3. These three zeros are flipped by 1. And then it counts become 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It become 10. So this is the problem which it has given to us. And now we have to write a solution code of it. Same way it I have written over here also. The same sample num is there, which we saw 1, 1, 0, 0. If we are flipping two zeros with ones, so how many count it can give? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So output we have to get 6. Same way over here also, if we are flipping zeros with 1, how many zeros we have to flip? It is according to the k value. So three zeros we have to flip and we can get the our maximum consecutive ones. So for this, we have to write a Python solution. So let's write in the VS Code. So yeah, let's start writing the code of it. How we can approach this problem. Let's first define the problem. First, let's define the function first. Largest. Once it is there and over there, I'm passing nums and k as an input. We will need this all variables. So left is equal to 0, 0 count. This will also be needed to us. And this variable. Okay, this all we want now. For write in range, and nums will be there. Nums of length of nums. In length of nums, we have to iterate. We will check if nums of right is equal to 0, then 0 count. I will increase it by 1. This one more I need to write by 0 count is greater than a if nums of left is equal to 0, 0 count. I have to decrease it and increase the left. First, I am writing the code and then I will be explaining you. Okay. First, let me write this. Uh, left plus equal to 1. Mm, Max. Right. Then right. Right. Yeah. Oh, Max. Sorry, spelling mistake. Max length. Yeah, function is now written. Let's check first example. Is it giving us copy paste? I will copy paste this. Copy paste is equal to 2. Function call passing the input out is equal to print f string output 1 out value. Let's run and see if it is giving me error. Then I have to debug it. So yeah, output 1 is 6. Yeah, so it is giving us 6. Let's check for the second sample. for second example, nums is equal to this full. Yeah, nums has been passed. K is equal to 3. Function call largest once input is given to the function. Parameters are given. Output, saving it in output 1, printing it. Okay, directly by writing out 1. Yeah, output it is giving us right. So 10, 6. So this was the solution of it. Let's try to visualize this code and how it is working in the Python tutor. Okay. So I have copy pasted the code and let's visualize it, how it is working. By visualizing, you will be able to understand it easily. So first, the if I'm writing, clipping next, it got the function. So it will directly come over here. Nums1, it will get nums1. K1, it will get in the memory. Then the function is seen by the compiler interpreter. So it will directly go to the function and now left is 0, max length also. These all are required for us in the code. That is why 0 count 0. Okay. For right in range, len of nums, right is 0 and its range is len of nums. Our len is how much it is? It is 11, but it will be going till 10, means 0 to 10. This whole number it will be iterating. So first right will be 0 for right in 0. If nums of right means nums of 0 is equal to 1. No, it is not. It is 1. So it will not enter in this block. It will directly move to the while and it will check this condition. 0 count is greater than k or not. 0 count is 0, which is greater than 2. No, it is not. So it will not enter in the while loop. It directly go to the max length. Okay. In the max length, it will go and it will calculate this max length. Max length is 0, right minus left. Right is 0, 0 minus left. 0 minus 0 plus 1. So here 1 and here 0. So from these two numbers, which is the maximum one, 1 is the maximum. So max length will become 1 after this. So see over here, max 1 will become 1. Now it is a for loop. It will go once again to here. And now our right will become 1. Now nums of right is 1. Nums of 1, we have to see if it is equal to 0 or not. No, it is not 0, it is 1. Okay. So it will not enter in this. It will come over here and it will see the condition. 0 count is how much it is 0. 0 is greater than k. No, it is not. It will not enter in the while loop. It will just go to this line. and it will check max length is how much? 1, comma, right minus left. Right minus left is 1 minus 0 plus 1. So it becomes 2. Here 1 is there, here 2 is there. So from these two number, which is the maximum number? 2 is there. So max of it will be taken and max length will be changed from 1 to 2. So over here, max length has become 2 now. For right in range, now our right is it is increased to 2 now. Okay, right is increased. Now we have to once again follow the same thing. 2 at the nums of 2, what 0 is there or not? No, it is not. So it will not enter here and it will be coming over here. Now it will be checking 0 count how much it is. 0 count is 0 only, and it is once again not true this condition, so it will not enter and directly come over here max length. Let's see now max length. I have what is the max length over here? Max length is 2, right minus left. Right minus left means 2 minus 0 plus 1, 3. Here 2 is there, here 3 is there. So which is the maximum number? 3. So max length will become 3. Once again, the right will be increased by, it was 2, then it will be increasing by 1, then it becomes 3. Nums of 3 is 0. Yeah, it is 0. Now it will enter in the if condition block. This 0 count, it will be coming over here. So 0 count will be increased by 1. This code, this line shows that it will increase the count by 1. Okay. Now once again it will be checking 0 underscore count how much it is. 0 underscore count is 1. 1 is greater than 2? No. So it will not enter the while loop. It will be coming over here and it will calculate the max length. So max length is 3 and right minus left becomes 3 minus 0 plus 1. So max length will become 3 comma 4. So maximum number is 4. So maximum length becomes 4. You can see over here max length has increased by 4. Okay. Now the right has it increased from 3 to now it will be going to 4. Okay. And same thing will happen. Here it will check if the number is 0 or not. It is 0, yes. It will enter into the if condition and it will increase the 0 count by 1. So 1 becomes now 2. Okay. Now once again this condition 0 count is 2, which is greater than 2. No, it is not. So it will not enter in the while and it will directly calculate the max length. So max length is now 4 comma right minus left. Right is 4. 4 minus 0 plus 1. So it becomes 5 over here. 5 and 4. So the max length will be changed to 5. Oh, it is not. Let me see. Max length is 4. Okay. Comma right is 4 minus 0 plus 1. So max length is increased by 1. Okay. So little mistake I did in my calculation. So yeah, so it is increased by, because over here max length was 4 and here it was right was 4 and left is 0. So 4 minus 0 plus 1. So it becomes 5 and it here max length is 4. 4 comma 5, which is a bigger number? 5. So max length becomes 5. Okay. Next, it will once again go above and it will be now right will be increased by 4 to it will go to 5 and it will check if it is 0 or not. Yeah, it is 0. Yeah, at the fifth position 0 is there. 0 count will be increased. Okay, then in the while condition we have to check 0 count is how much? 3, which is greater than 2. Yeah, it is greater than, so it will enter in this and it will be checking if nums of left is equal to 0. So nums now this in this while body we are Nums of left means nums of left is 0. Nums of 0 is not 0, it is 1. So it will not enter in the if body inside this. It will directly increase the left count by 1. Okay. Left is increased by 1 now. Now while zero count is, it is same now. Zero count is 3 only and k is 2. So it is greater only. It will once again check nums of left is equal to 0. Now left is 1. 1 at the 1 position, 1 is there, 0 is not there. So it will not enter in the if. Left will be increased by 1. So left is now 2. It will be true only because the numbers are same. 3 is greater than 2. Once again, it will check at the second position. It is 0 or not. No, it is not. It will not enter the if and it will increase the count of left by 1. So now left is 3. 0 and these are the same. So it is true and it will enter over here. And nums of left is equal to 0. Now this time the num of left is 0. So 0 count will be uh, subtracted by 1 now. Okay. And left will be increased by 1. So now left by 3, it will increase by 1. It become 4 now. Okay. Now 0 count is 2 and which is greater than 2. No, it is not. Now it become false. So it directly come out over the while body and it will be executing max length. What is the value of it? So max length is 5, comma right minus left plus 1. So right is 5 minus left is 4. 5 minus 4 plus 1. 5 minus 4 becomes 1. 1 plus 1 becomes 2. So 5 comma 2, which is the maximum number over here. 5 is there. So max length will remain 5 only. Okay. Now right is increased by 6 and it is checking 6 at the sixth position, nums of 6. 0 is there. No, it is not. Now it will check 0 count is greater than k or not. 0 count is 2. No, it is not. Okay. Directly it will be checking this and what will be the max length? Max length is now 5. Right is 6 minus left is 4. 6 minus 4. 6 minus 4 become 2. 2 plus 1 become 3. 5 comma 3 is the value. So which is the maximum one? Max length will remain the same, which is 5. Okay. So max length is 5 only. Once again, the right value will be increased by 1. It becomes now 7. It is 0. No, it is not. Same here also. It will not because 0 is not greater. Max length will be seen. Max length is how much? 5. And here 7 minus 4 becomes 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 comma 4. So max length will remain the same. Okay. Now the right has been increased by 8 because it is inside the for loop. So it will check 1 at the nums of 8. 0 is there. No, it is not. Now once again it will see this condition is true. It is not true. It will not enter. It will directly check this and max length is now 5. Okay. And right minus left. Right is 8 minus left is 4. 8 minus 4 becomes 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So 5 comma 5. So both are same. So max length will remain 5 only. Right. Now the right value is increased by 9. Till here we have reached second last. So it will check nums of right is 0. No, it is not. in the while loop, it will check zero count is 2 and which is not greater than k. It will not enter the while loop. It will just calculate the max length. Max length is now 5. 5 comma right. Right is 9. 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4 becomes 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 comma 5. 6 comma 5 becomes, means 6 comma 5 means which number is the biggest number over here? Maximum number 6. So max length will be increased by 6. Now max length is 6 now over here. Okay. Once again, the right value will be increased by 1 because it is in the for loop. So it will be going till the 0 to the last number, which is our 10th. So it is now 10th, which is the last, and it will check if it is 0 or not. So yeah, nums of right means nums of 10 is 0. Yeah, it is 0. 0 count plus 1 is equal to, yeah, so 0 count will be increased by 1. Yeah, it will become 3. Now 0 count is greater than 2. Yeah, it is. So left will be nums of left, how much it is? It is 0 or not? Yeah, it is 0. 0 count will be decreased by 2. Left will be increased by 1. Left become 5. 0 count is 2 now. 2 is greater than 2. No, it is not. It will come out of the while loop and calculate the max length. Max length is 6, comma right minus left. Right is 10, minus left is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6, comma 6. So max length will be the same, which is 6. Now the right will be increased by, it can't, because we have given the range from 0 to 11. So 11 is not counted. It is exclusive. So it will go till 10 only. So our for loop will end and it will return the maximum length. So what is the value? 6 is there. So in the output, we will be getting output 1, 6 answer. So this was the dry run. I have shown you how this algorithm is working. So you can also try this code and solve this lead code problem. Okay. So yeah, so this was for today's video. And if you have enjoyed this video and you have learned something and you have understood the concept of this problem, so please consider giving me a like, share and subscribe my channel, and also share this video with the one who is coding on the regular basis and who likes to code and learn coding. So happy learning and happy coding. I will meet you in the next video.